Total Roof Restoration has been established for over 15 years, with thousands of satisfied customers across Melbourne. The key to the success of Total Roof Restoration is the thorough process and the understanding of the key stages of rejuvenating your roof. The first stage of rejuvenating your roof is bedding. Bedding consists of sand, cement and lime, a mixture that will be used as a foundation to support and secure the ridge caps of your roof. Total Roof Restoration use only modern techniques, such as bedding frames, which guarantee to keep the ridges straight with no dips or bends to ensure your roof looks sharp. Total Roof Restoration Stage 2. The second stage of rejuvenating your roof is pointing. This is a vital process which gives flexibility and longevity to your roof. Total Roof Restoration will guarantee to use only the highest quality products, guaranteeing total waterproofing, storm resistance, and helps maintaining the colour and durability for years to come, giving you total peace of mind. Total Roof Restoration's third stage is pressure washing. This must be done to remove all dirt, grime and moss. This process is vital to ensure the coatings last way beyond its warranty. Roof preparation consists of removing all debris and dust from the roof surface. We need then to cover all outdoor areas such as patios, verandas and skylights to protect from any overspray. Total Roof Restoration Stage 5 Priming. After the roof is pressure washed, the primer is applied to the tiles to strengthen and ensure a solid base for the following application to come. Total Roof Restoration Stage 6 is sealing your roof. The sealer helps rebuild and seals porous roof tiles, enabling a sound base and a perfect preparation for the colour coating to bond to. Total Roof Restoration's final stage is the colour coating application. Products used are the very best products within the industry anywhere in the world. These products are tried, tested and proven, guaranteeing your roof will be the envy of your street for years to come.